My wife has this purse that she likes quite a bit. It's one of the several purses she swaps out, but it seems that she wears this purse more than the others. And she really enjoys it. Problem is, the leather pull strap failed, and I'm not a leather worker, but it has some wood on it, and I am a woodworker. So I'm going to try to make a pull out of wood for this. We'll see how well that works. Join me in this journey. I got a piece of black walnut here, a little scrap. It does, as a matter of fact, this is even larger than what I'm going to need. It's a lot thicker. I'm only going to require roughly half of this. Right? It's going to be a little tab, and then I'm gonna make a shape like this type of thing. Alright, I'm going to try something I've never tried before. I'm going to make a loop. So I picked up this 50-pound steel wire from the Orange wood supply store. And it's pretty heavy and it doesn't bend that easily, which is exactly what I wanted. But what I need to do is make a loop. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put this drill bit, oh geez, sorry about that, into this vise here, and I'll get a pair of pliers, or actually two pairs, and I'm going to bend it around that drill bit.
Maybe if I tuck it smart.
We're learning here. We're trying different things. So, as one of the other YouTubers that I watch, everything is an experiment. So, that includes this. So, here we go.
Not beautiful as a circle, but maybe if we do some adjustments, then maybe it'll straighten it out.
It's not looking that bad there. Damn. There we go. There we go. It's looking good. Get the tab on there. There we go. And then on the purse, all we have to do is feed it through the existing one. And then close it up. That should do it. Now she has little pull tab. Let's see what she thinks of it.
Oh, look at there. You fixed my purse.
Try it out.
Thank you. What a wonderful thing. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.